Hello, today I will show you top 15 things to do in Engelberg, Switzerland. So let's start with the number 1. Via Ferrata climbing. Number 2. Titlis Glacier Cave. Number 3. Brunni. Number 4. Titlis. Number 5. Trüebsee. Number 6. Titlis Cliffwalk. Number 7. Engelberg Sporting Park. Number 8. Engelberg Abbey. Number 9. Ski and Snowboard. Number 10. Ski Jumping World Cup Engelberg. Number 11. Cheese Factory. Number 12. Free riding and ski touring. Number 13. Brunni Safari Hike. Number 14. Spas and bathing. And the last one, number 15. More summer activities.